Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to Mafia Trader. Okay, in this video I will continue this trading with my powerful strategy, the 7-level strategy. On my last video I made over $1,000 here, and now I will try to double it, like $2,000 even more. Okay, for the setting of 7-level strategy, you need to set the expiration time is 1 minute here, and we need indicator moving average, the period is 7, and the styles is red for 2px. For the MACD is default like this, okay? Actually, for the better accuracy, we can add Bollinger Band for the third indicator, but I don't share this in my YouTube channel. I only share this in my Telegram channel. You can join my VIP club on my Telegram channel. The link is on the description box below. And before we make any entry, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm sure this channel will be useful for you to make a lot of money. So make sure right now you subscribe, hit the red button, okay? And let's go, let's find a good moment for our first entry. Okay guys, I think we have a good moment here. We can buy option in the next candle here. Like this, perfect. Let's analyze why I made buy option in this moment. As you know that this is an uptrend, right? We can buy option, but I see that in the previous candle here, you can see the candles is crossing the red line. So I don't know, this will be continued. So I made a test here because the MACD is not looking good. So if this trade losing, I will not trade on this market again. But if this trade made a profit, I will trade again. But if you lost here, is that okay? Because we have a big balance here, so I just double it for $250 so I can recover. You can see the MACD here, the bar is really small, so the momentum is not really good, okay? But it's okay, let's see our trading. And lucky us, I think we made a profit here, and now I will back to $100 and I will try to sell option. Because why? Because we see here that the candle is crossing the red line and the MACD is try to make a negative value. So let's try here. I will sell option and let's see the results. Yep, we made a profit here. The trend line is changing from an uptrend to a downtrend. This is because you see the candlestick is crossing the red line and the MACD is already negative value. This is a sell option area. We can sell option again if the candles is try to approaching the red line like this. I think this level is enough to make an entry for sell option. But seems like we are too late here. Is okay, let's try to find another market. Okay guys, after a couple moments try to finding a good moment in another market, I coming back to this market again, and I think we can make sell option like this on this market. Because you know that this is a downtrend, right? After crossing the red line like this, and here the price movement will going down, so I sell options. And we have a good entry position here when the candles is try to touching the red line like this, and then the price movement will bounce back to going down like this. And yep, I think we made a profit again. This is strategy, my favorite strategy and very powerful. So if you find a good market like this, instead of trying to looking for another market, you can try like this. So if you have a good market, let's try to testing like before. So test if the 7-level strategy work for this moment, and after it's work you can continue again and again. As long the trend is really strong, you can entry again and again like this. Okay, we can make sell option again on this candle. After the candles it try to approaching the red line, but let's see, after a couple moments I don't have a good entry position here. It's okay, let's move on this candle. Let's see in the next candle. Okay, I think we can make sell option when the candle is approaching the red line like this. Sell option. We have a perfect entry here. As you can see, we have a big momentum, so this market is a perfect downtrend. You can see the candles is below the red line, so this is a downtrend. And here, when the candles is touching the red line, approaching the red line like this is, I'm pretty sure 100% will be profitable. My VIP club member will be agree that this is very perfect moment because they know how to use perfectly the moving average and the Bollinger Bands and the MACD. They know about the momentum of the 7-level strategy and the high volatility of the Bollinger Bands. So you can learn about the 7-level strategy on my Telegram group. The link is on the description box below. Okay guys, I found a good moment for 7-level strategy here, so I buy option on this moment. You can see all of this candle is above the red line, so this is an uptrend, right? So we have a good entry position when the candles is touching the red line like this, and yep, this is will be profitable I guess, because this is 7-level strategy and we compounding this trading again. So if this trade is profitable, we make a profit like more than $1,000. But if this trade is losing, it's okay, we don't lose anything because we use compounding trading. This is really good method if you want to compound your money. And here, just only 4 trades, I'm trying to looking for a good moment for entry of the 7-level strategy. And if we made it from $100, I made like $1,000 like this. And you don't need to try like 7 times in a row, 10 times in a row. That's really hard. I'm looking for 4 trades, just 4 trades, and here I made $1,000. So but if you want to try this compounding trading, make sure you are already profitable. If you don't profitable, don't try this method, okay? And for that, to be a profitable trader, you need to have a good strategy and good money management. Don't looking for signals, you will be improved. And for that, you can watch my previous videos. I already explained about this strategy, and maybe in the future I will try another strategy for trading. But for now, I focus for the 7-level strategy. And if you want to learn it, you can just subscribe to these channels and join my Telegram group. The link is on the description box below. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Thank you.